Yo, welcome back to Krabs Trades. This is episode 2 of documenting every trade until I'm funded. We're in pre-market right now, and we're going to do some analysis right now. We're starting on the daily time frame. It looks like this candle did not sweep this low. But right now we're kind of sitting inside this daily fair value gap right here. I'm gonna just mark it up for right now. Let's check the 4-hour here. But firstly, on the daily, I'm pretty bullish. It's just, let's see what we see on the 4-hour. We do have like this big void here. We could want to retrace up to this pretty obvious high here on the higher time frame. But first, we gotta see what we do with this daily gap. If we get a daily candle closing above this gap, like maybe today, tomorrow, not sure when. We got CPI tomorrow, so could be some volatility tomorrow that could give us that move. But yeah, today we got PPI in like 4 minutes. Tomorrow CPI. And yeah, we got a bunch of red folders the rest of the week. So, I mean, if we do continue bullish, we're going to need a daily candle closing above this daily gap right here. But yeah, right now, we might be kind of mixed bias, but mostly bullish based on the daily and 4-hour. But let's see if there's any important 4-hour gaps. Just going to mark these up just in case price reaches down there. And we're at one right now. 4-hour gap, showed rejection at it. Get rid of this. Looks like we rejected this 4-hour gap. Let's check the 1-hour now. See if we have any. Is this Asia? Yeah, so this is London high. This is a nice liquidity pool. Save that as a template. Right there, we got that. Could be a draw on liquidity. If this 1-hour candle inverses this 1-hour gap, then I'm definitely bullish towards the London high, or at least to this 4-hour gap again. But we're gonna know that for sure at 9 a.m. if this 1-hour inverses here. But yeah, let's see. We don't have any significant lows I'm looking at. I mean, let's see the 15-minute here. Gonna mark up this 15-minute gap. And it looks like we did inverse this 15-minute, so I'm pretty bullish. But we did sweep these highs, so could react right now, but I'm pretty bullish right now to these London highs. So yeah, mostly I think I'm going to be looking for buys, and that's the PPI candle. We got news right now. Damn. Yeah, that news took out that London high right now. But this is a very nice like data wick we could leave behind. So we could look for a move back up to there. If like we chop up here and get a move back through it again. But that depends on how this candle closes. We're gonna see. But yeah, let's hop on the 15-minute here. Got a 15-minute gap right there. And I mean, this is an obvious low here, so I'm gonna just mark it up. I'm gonna mark it up, intermediate term, high/low, right there. 15 minutes, a great time frame. Nice solid time frame. All right, let's see a 5 minute. So now that we took this London high, we really could do whatever, but I mean, I'm still bullish, but just on the 5 minute, we don't have any equal highs or lows, I believe. Let's see. Do we have equal highs above? We might. Let's see. If these are equal, that's a great target, and we do have equal highs. Very nice. So they're pretty high up. They're not too high up, but that's a nice target as well for being bullish. Great liquidity pool there. So yeah, if we see some chop right now and then get a move towards these equal highs, that's ideally what I want to see this session. And let's just see the 1 minute. And yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm in a trade, or when I'm looking at a trade or something, or after the session. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan. I'm still bullish, even though we took this London high. But if we have to adapt, we're going to adapt. But we do have equal highs above. Let's see how they look on the 1 minute. Yeah, these are very clean equal highs there. And before I skip over to like the next trade or whatever I'm doing, let's see what ES did. Do we have any SMT, anything? Nah, so ES took the same high, but ES did grab liquidity, so SMT right there. Like SMT here, which is interesting to see because I am learning more about SMTs and all that. SMTs are very interesting to me because I like looking at how ES and NQ are correlating. Like right here. I know this SMT looks kind of dumb, but what I'm saying is like ES took the liquidity here, NQ did not take any liquidity really, and we had the move on both NQ and ES. So yeah, I'll be back once I'm in a trade or after a trade doing a recap. I don't even know yet, but yeah, I'll see you then. So right now we're in this short right here. Pull it up here. Risking like 500. So pretty much what this trade is it's a 2-minute inversion to the downside. Hold up, I'm about to get copyrighted for the music, but it's basically a 2-minute inverse to the downside. After we took out London high, and we're also delivering off of this 4-hour gap. I'm gonna look to manage here soon, and here I'm gonna be moving to break even, and all out there. Done for the day now, plus 588. I honestly could have scaled there and left a runner, but it's all good. We took a 1.3R But yeah, very clean there. Exit was this 1 minute level. I believe on topstep it was actually a little bit less. So MNQ hit the low, but NQ didn't. Let's see, ES also hit the low. Yeah, so ES hit the low too. So that's the exit, and closed around like a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here for the day, most likely. And yeah, but pretty much here ES took the low, so that was the exit, and I was pretty much just going for a 1-to-1. But what I saw here was we were delivering off of a sweep of London high. So here we pretty much had London high, liquidity raid. We had delivery off this 4-hour gap. We had this 2-minute inverse fair value gap, which we entered on the close below. And target was just this internal liquidity, and I got out when ES hit it right there. So close for like a 1-to-1. If we pull up the top step here, we are done for the day here with plus 600. Looking back at this, definitely could have left a runner to like these lows or something, but it's all good. And yeah, I'm gonna journal this right now. See if we react at this 5-minute gap or not. But yeah, let's just journal everything. Delivery from 4-hour. Like this London high is a great liquidity pool. Like there's usually very good reactions at London highs and lows, and like session highs and lows. But yeah, let's screenshot this. Was like about 1.1 R. Yeah, so like that. Risked 15 points here. But yeah, it looks like we're reacting off this 5-minute here. Let's journal this here. Followed the plan. Yes, risk to reward was like 1-to-1, and I would give this like an A setup. It would be A plus, but we weren't delivering like from a smaller gap. We were delivering off the 4-hour though, which is very clean, and we also hit like the 50% of the 4-hour. Also, we were pretty high up in a premium, so that made shorts valid. I did say I was a little bit bullish before, but once we got this London high ran for liquidity, we adapted and took a nice short opportunity. Let me throw up my executions here. And yeah, we actually took that on like 3 accounts. Let's see. So yeah, right here, 588 on 3 accounts. So yeah, great day here. Definitely done. And yeah, could have left runners, but I mean, 1-to-1 risk to reward is just pretty clean when ES hit this low, close full. But yeah, also to manage my risk quickly, I made this sheet if you guys want to grab it. I think I'm gonna leave a link to this in the description. This is for MNQ. If you guys want one for NQ, I can do that too. I'm gonna put a link to this in my free Discord under free resources. This just really helps me like calculate risk very quickly. Like I just look at my stop loss size and boom, I know how much I'm risking right away. But yeah, very clean here. pre-market too. It was like 8:43 a.m. So let's journal this here. Stop size was 15 points. Net P&L was like 588. This was a 2-minute and short. Followed bias, yes, we were like chameleon bias, so we're gonna note that down. Pretty sure that's how you spell it. Let's see. Yeah, no, I spelled it wrong. But chameleon bias is basically when like what I was talking about before. I was bullish when I came into the session, but then I saw we rated London highs, so short opportunities do make sense, and we're at this 4-hour gap. We hit the 50% of the 4-hour gap as well, and we were high up in a premium based on the 1 hour and 15-minute as well, very high in premium. So a little retracement did make sense to go short. But yeah, I think the rest of the day I'm just going to be paper trading because I am good with this for the day on all accounts. But yeah, accounts back at like break even. We took a L day yesterday. It was pretty tough. We took some bad setups, if I'm being honest. But yeah. So yeah, if I left a runner here lower, probably gonna get hit break even. I think I'll update you guys on that in a little bit. But yeah, let's finish journaling this. I spelled this wrong. And something I also like about doing these videos is I'm gonna be seeing how I manage my emotions while I'm in a trade. If I'm feeling like FOMO, if I'm feeling anything, greed, I'm gonna see by looking back at these videos how I'm actually feeling during the trade, how am I managing the trade, and all that. But like today, I mean, I could have managed it better. I could have closed a partial, but it just happened really fast, and I just closed full when ES took the low here. But yeah, I mean, could have squeezed out a little bit more out of this trade, but it's all good because yeah, runners would have gotten hit for break even unless they were closed here. But yeah, this was just a really quick trade. Happened in about under a minute, I believe. But yeah, let's see, what time was this at? 8:44 a.m. So it's pre-market and we're already done for the day. Across 3 accounts, secured 600 on all the evals. Accounts back at break even. We had a L day yesterday. But yeah, 8:44 a.m. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Done for the day after this. And yeah, psychology here was great. Good discipline, good patience. And I'm right down 1 win and I'm done. But yeah, until next time, guys, thank you for watching. And make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I got a big goal. I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Let's see what we're at right now. And once I hit 500 subs or 500 to 1,000, I can start doing prop firm giveaways to you guys, giving away free accounts, all that good stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be dropping this in my Discord if you guys want to grab it for yourselves. It's a little sheet to help with contract sizing. You can just really quickly look at it. This is gonna be in my Discord under free resources here. So yeah, link is in the video description. Join that up. I'm gonna drop it right here. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Let's get to 500 subs. I would say by the end of this month. I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna be grinding out videos, grinding out some back testing. And yeah, until next time, guys, peace.